Hi children, this is the maths activity for Tuesday the 16th of June. Starting off with some mental maths. Go through each question carefully and as quickly as you can. Time your results, 10 questions, and check at the end of the pack. All quite simple. This is a number sequence, number 5. Using some of your skills and strategies to work out. So for the first one, 3 times 9 times 4, it doesn't matter which order you multiply which numbers first. Just working out. This one, you've got to find the sum that you add to 1,415 to get to 1,599. You could do the inverse. Start with 1,599, take away 1,415. This one, the answer's at the beginning, so work this out. 58 divided by 10. When you've got brackets, you've got to work out the sum inside the bracket first before you divide it by 2. So, here we go. Scrolling down, we've got the adding 2 multiples together. If you look at those 10 sums, if you can partition the number with the measurement, so 12 meters, divide 12, partition 12 into 10 and 2, so you can say 10 times 77 and 2 times 77, and then add the 2 sums together. So the number that's got the measurement 30 grams, divide it into 20 and 10. It's quite easy to multiply numbers by multiples of 10. 100, partition 101 with 1 and 100 times 32 twice. Okay, the main maths, we're going to revise subtraction sums, looking at the counting up and the column subtractions, using which one to use best for each sum. So you're going to choose the most efficient strategy to solve subtraction. So you're going to compare mental, expanded, compact and counting up methods, estimate and use inverse operations to check answers, and then answer some real life questions on subtraction. So looking at your learning reminders, going over the column methods. So this is your expanded, this is your compact, but for some sums, for instance 3,000 take away 2,624, where there's lots of zeros in the top number, you've got to do a lot of exchanges, column exchanges, to make that top digit larger than the lower digit. So it's appropriate to use the counting on using the frog. So you start with the lower number, 2,674, jump it up to the next multiple of 10, which is 26, away up to 2,700. Then another big leap of 300 to take it to 3,000, and then the rest is there. So you just add up 326. Okay, and we've got some practice column or counting on. Look at which ones. Usually if the numbers are quite close together, you can work these out with the counting on. So 6,023 take away 5,794. We can use the counting on. So for 5,794, take that up to the next 100, 5,800, and that is a leap of 6. Then 5,800 up to 6,000 is a jump of 200. And then from 6,000 to 6,023, jump of 23. So we've got to add 6 the 200 and the 23 together, and then you get your answer. 223 plus 6, 229. There you go. Okay. So that's your mild sheet. Then you've got a hot sheet. Then you're a little bit stuck. You can use these lines to work out how you use the frog on the number line. So 602 take away 494. We've done partially a jump from 500 to 600, so it's 494 is there. Jump that up to 500, which is a jump of 6. The jump of 100 is given to you, takes you up to 600, and then add 0 to 602, which is 2 more. So it's 2 plus 100 plus 6 will give you your answer. Okay, we've got 2 pages there if you're a little bit stuck, where you just want to go over the counting on method. And then we've got an investigation, subtraction trios. Follow the instructions and see how you get on. Then for the maths extension, we've got some word problems to do with subtraction. But there, the sentences are given to you that they are a little bit confusing, where they are giving you unnecessary information. So it's up to you to underline the keywords to work out the subtraction sum. So there were 1,165 cups delivered to a shop. Half of them were pink, the other half were blue. 237 were broken when they arrived. So how many cups were unbroken? So you've got the main amount, 1,165. Unnecessary information is half of them are pink, the other half were blue, so you don't need that information. But 237 were broken. You've got to find which were unbroken, so you subtract 237 away from the total number of cups, which is 1,165. Okay, and then we've got some larger numbers to subtract. Some 4-digit, 3-digit, 5-digit numbers. Okay, good luck there. Answers at the back of the pack.